pray that God may raise a generation today who are not afraid to tell the truth and say, let's worship God and God alone. Was what Palingo would say, Eti Ulotico Kuru, Osezulu, Kuyen Yanis. He was saying there is no other God. Then getting Ulis Nyanya, but today I've realized that I can't come you Tico, but to Tico, Ulono says Zului. Ulono says Zului. I can't come you Tico. No, I can't give you what I got. There is only one God. His name is Jehovah. His name is Jehovah. His name is Jehovah. I can slap in your knees. I can slap in your knees. I can slap in your knees. Chego pelo toque, acaselado em ali. Como se não vai começar a ninguém vai curtir. What's the good prophet? Se funa moya katiko, afuna wake, toda la moya katiko. Oh, Africa pessoa. What's the good way of course? When bate katiko. I feel it tonight. What I want to take off from the Baptist. Oh my God. Every young church. What I want to take off from the Baptist. I guess it's life. See, the cast to take. See, look at that. On the level of God. Father, it's getting a necessary on this in your way. It's being a Sabuga. Ushango Lupe. About my love. Over the paralysis to Masalo on the beside. Over the poor Yame. Didn't get a book again. Walk a woman Magalish. It's a guy who lives 10. And I need food to running about. When I realized can you go harm laws in Africa? Lower Monobus, guys. I don't know what so I cried and he didn't. Well, I think she was asleep. I said, Father, thank you for your grace. Come on, Makana, what's Habalalis? Can you have what I say, Mammy, if I get? I'm not standing if I get. You did not belong. But I get the Ragatina. What's I what is somewhere like it? Not. He said the belly sleeping. Got our figure in a good flesh. What you could get? What you could get? What you more sing that up? More pepper up? More money run up? More Tony Gavin up? More Tony Mamano up? We did not deserve. The tennis to make the food to not think about. You can't go to the back. Because I was bound by Dalil and the dog. Baba Zubo Africa, Kandi in the land. Yes, No wonder sithi sesemandleni kodwa sisasindwa ngumoya wesinto ofuna usenza amakhoboka. Sisemandleni but we have nothing because we refuse to fully connect. Sisamane sizilanda ngeziduko, simane sizisa uyesu kabuye sibiza, simane sizibuyisa kuhamba ngokolanda iziduko. No wonder abantu besemandleni but you don't see the breakthrough because uhleli nabantu abamele bezigodusa bazisa kuhamba kapha Yesu uthi I paid everything kapha bayazigodusa. Nobody ngathukwa ngalevangeli, but I will worship you, I will glorify you, I will serve you, Lord. I choose you, I choose you, I choose you, I choose you, I choose you. Ikatawena, ikatawena, ikatawena. Nayihlekisa kodwa jonga mnando kodwa ulilisela kanothini. I'd rather be poor but in your kingdom than be rich and outside of your kingdom. I'd rather have nothing. Ndisebukhoneni bakho kunoba ndibe nanto zonke ndingekho ebukhoneni bakho. I choose you.